If you're keen to evolve your postgraduate certificate into a Master of Technological Futures degree, there's now a pathway to do that. When you complete a postgraduate certificate with Tech Futures Lab, you'll earn 60 educational credits. You can cross-credit 45 of these 60 credits to the immersion phase of the Master's program. That leaves a shortfall of just 15 credits to complete this first phase. There's two ways to close this gap. Choose to either get the full Master's experience and join a new cohort. It's a great chance to recap your learning, link in with your dedicated advisor, and meet and collaborate with your cohort. Or you can take a free supplementary short course with Tech Futures Lab. You'll focus on evolving your final assessment from your postgraduate certificate into your Master's project proposal with input and support from an advisor. It's a great option if you're short on time. Once you've completed the immersion phase, you're ready to take on the Master's project phase. You'll research, develop and implement your real-world project. At the end, you'll have earned the full 180 credits you need to be a Master of Technological Futures. If you're interested, get in touch with us to talk about your options.